这个吧，你要的是这个吗？
哦，
对，那个这个是不是那么好干的，所以我来用这几个线子绑起来也可以，但是过劳死的。This is what you want, I think. Slightly the shape is different, but yeah, something like this. Right? Okay, this direction. Yeah. Something like this. Right? And then hole is here. And when I catch fish, removing here and open from here. And close like this.
哥，前面那个，
嗯，
那个是有弹性的。
有弹性。Then 没有弹性。But see here, there are holes like this. Then definitely fish will escape from here. Then I have to reinforce with this kind of the line and other. I think occasionally, accidentally, one, yeah, this then definitely here is a weak point. Here also weak point. Then how? Or even though there is a weak point, but if the fish is sufficiently big enough, I think I can catch some. Then I can make this part is slightly wider. Right? Today is a little bit rainy. Then maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, we can try here also. Then I thought that I can bundle using this one, but this one is not really looks not really fancy. Then this is much more. This plant is much more fancier, I think. And using this one, I can fix this type of the weak point using this one. I hope that this will be helpful to much more this cage, this trap became much more nicer. I hope that. I don't know. Absolutely looks not really beautiful. And now I am making like this, but taking this one away and here also I can release here like this and here also here also like this. The structure is like this. The fish is like body height is high, then I can make the hole something like this also. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. I don't know whether this one work well or not. Definitely, in one day, the structure will be broken out or destroyed or modified. So then, waiting one night is kind of the upper limit. One night or 2 or 3 hours is upper limit, I think. 好的嘛。 好的嘛。What do you think? This is really organic and nature friendly, is it?
うん
You think so?
うん
Is it researcher friendly or not? Researcher friendly or not? Absolutely, this is not researcher friendly. I think I spent a long time to make it. I already record the entire procedure, then later on you can check it.
うん
Right. So then, and wait, fish maintenance staff said, definitely using this one, it's impossible to catch the eel or the roach or this kind of fish, because easily they can escape from this kind of the tiny hole. Then they said, shrimp or crab is still possible to catch using this one, but the crabs and the shrimp has a really strong power. They can open the the hole. They can make a hole in somewhere in this cage, and this one they can destroy the this kind of the tour cage. Then let's see. I hope that like like uh, uh, like tilapia, maybe tilapia, slightly larger tilapia can be caught by this the trap. I think. Hold on, because the material itself already has a problem. Material is like a manzao. What is manzao? Grass, not bamboo,
うん
right? Then this one has no sufficient strong strength to maintain the structure. So then this is automatically this already contains a weakness to like make this kind of the structure. And this one also, the grass also not really strong enough. Then one of the option next time, if you really want to make this type of the trap, have to correct this one. This is the best material what we can obtain around here. Right? This one is really strong.
うん
Then we can catch sufficient volume or amount of these plants around here. Okay. Okay.
うん
How can I fix here? I think like the space inside of this truck. Okay. And then we will set this one to the outside. 好的吗？我们设计这只。好的吗？OK 吗？OK 吗？OK. Yeah. And we put the bait inside of this one. Okay. And here I have this type of the bait, but how can we set it inside? Right? And okay, this one, plastic. This also kind of the organic, isn't it? Is it organic? Oh, I think you like this something like this, right? Something like this. But this one is a dried one, then easily broken up. Then I already made. Come here. Take here. This one, really soft. When I put like this leaf, the dry one into the hot water, this one change into the soft, really soft. and I put this bait in here is one of the option. Okay, and the other one is I make a net structure like this, and I put some bait in here. What do you think? I think this is safer, right? I see. And this also. 3 or 4. Okay. And this one. Right. Here. And additionally, please wait here. The stone also. Stone, I really hope that gently I drop the stone into here. I think originally the structure itself is already almost broken out. Like not really strong. The structure is not really strong enough. Then, okay, and then I cross this one. Gotcha. I hope this is tight enough, right? Okay. I just confirm. Like how much was it on the internet? How much was it? You said 80 or 70 MTD, right? 70 or MTD. This net. This net is 400 MTD, and the Pepsi or Coke is around one bottle is 2-liter bottle is 40 MTD or something like this. Was it? Okay. Yeah. Then and I use two bottles. Then totally it cost around 60 or 40. It's 60 or 80 MTD, and this is 60, and this is 400 MTD, and this one is I would say free material. Material is free, but I spend 2 days, right? 2 days. Ideally, is it expensive or not? 贵吗？我的2点贵吗？这样的感觉。好吗？我2点的有效果吗？买这只好吗？不行吗？你觉得嘞？好吗？你不敢讲嘛？没关系，好，那今天试试看，好的吧？好，过去这边。OK 了，OK。